Guys, Chris from the Ultimate Recycler. Welcome back to part 2 of this deceased estate clean out. Okay, back at this house for a second clean up day. Well, I'm only going to spend an hour or two this morning. Firstly, here's some footage of as I left it last time as I was leaving. Here's some of the stuff that I've ditched on Facebook as part of my first day's cleaning up here. The old recliner and the sofa are quite dusty. I've put them on Facebook for free. The Horn sewing cabinet, I didn't see this when I first walked through. I've put it on Facebook for $50, which is pretty cheap. These things, supposed to have a sewing machine going there. These things are quite expensive to buy new, and I think I've sold that already, so someone's coming to get that for 50. The bed I've put on for free. The chairs, I only found 5 of them. They're nice and solid. I'll put 50 on the set. All these little shelf units are only cheap and nasty ones. They're going to be $5 each. Office chair will be $5. So I'm ditching all this on Facebook. These 60s drawers I might take back to the shop. They are in really good condition. The drawers slide beautifully, and I'm definitely taking that pot cupboard back to the shop. The table around the back here is free. So I've nearly got to the end of the first part, the carport. We'll get into the shed next chance we get. And now back here, as you can see, some of the stuff's gone. The 6th chair actually turned up. It must have been in the house. And since I've been here last time, there was a lot of boxes of smalls clearly taken from out of the house. A lot of kitchen stuff, microwave, bit of other kitchen appliances. So obviously the family have been here and emptied the house and have put it all with my stuff. So I better hop to it and try and clear up this carport area before we get out the back. A couple of things I found we'll have a look at shortly. So I've only been here about half an hour. I've just filled the van with clutter really. Shelves, chairs, microwaves, kitchen area, office chair in there. Just bits and pieces. Nothing rubbish, but nothing of any real value. Still, if it adds up to $5 to $10 each, it'll multiply out. I'm going to really try hard again to give this sofa away. It's actually not in bad condition other than being very dusty. I'll be offering free again with free delivery, so I really don't want to take it to landfill. I think I've given up on the bed. The base and the mattress will probably have to go to the transfer station, so that's going to cost me about $50. Didn't have any interest when I tried to give it away, and it's not in the best condition. Now the better bits this time. This is a light box. I'm not exactly sure what it was used for, but that may have a use. If it doesn't, I reckon it'd have to be worth $30. I might have a use for that yet though, let me think. These are really cute. Really tiny little vintage cane stools. They're actually quite old, I would say. I don't know, maybe 50s. Very sturdy. Only the tiniest of kids would sit on them, but they're very cute. So look, $20 a pair there, no problems I wouldn't think. This lamp was hanging up. I thought it was a modern Chinese one just gone rusty, but it's actually English made. So even just with a little bit of a wash, I'd get 20 for that. And the auto trolley here is a nice oak one, probably 1920s. A little bit wonky as most of them are. They dry out in the joints, all the glue dries out. It all looks quite good. That handle there is from this end, but I think it's split, so that's got an issue. But still, it's on the original casters. That's a bit of a clean up. I don't think I'll try and re-glue it or anything, but I reckon someone would pay $50 for it as a project. And this is really cute. A little kid's wheelbarrow. All steel, quite good condition. Got to be some vintage to that one. I would estimate probably 50s or 60s. Great condition really. Grow a little plant in it. A kid could actually still use it. It's strong enough to actually put a load of dirt or rocks or bricks in it. Not that the kid's going to push many bricks around, but I think that's a $30 item. So I found a few better paying items this time. Just about finished this carport area. Just a few boxes of knickknacks and junk. I've still got to try and get rid of that table. That'll be a freebie. But not much to go in this carport area at all. And I've started dragging stuff out of this room back here. It's a bit dark in here at the moment, there's no light, but got a lot of shelves and stuff out of here, so still a bit to go. So tune in next time. We'll keep a running tally of how we go, and I'll just show you that very little actually has to go to the tip, other than the mattress is probably going to be the only thing. And the rest of it actually will add up, even though it looks like junk and it still feels like junk. The rest of it will actually add up to a reasonable income for my time. See you in the next part.